JG Som is the home of socially aware, innovative, and dynamic.
I think that SOM is the future of business in the Philippines.
Some makes me grow as a person.
Song is home.
SOM gives me a lot of opportunities.
Song's fun.
SOM challenges me.
Because of SOM, I have learned how to appreciate time and effort.
The School of Management is an incubator for leaders in both business and corporations.
SOM is so fantastic.
To some because I believe that it will help me develop my skills better as a person.
SOM is a battlefield.
SOM is awesome.
I think some is competitive.
To me, SOM is the avenue for change.
SOM isn't just a school, it's a lifestyle, an active decision to contribute towards nation building.